Hello and welcome, guys. This is another video I want to share with you, and this is for the GETs who has just passed out from the college as an electrical engineer. So today's topic I want to share with you that is electrical construction field for GETs. So if you are just passed out from college, or you are in the third year or the last semester or the fourth year, wherever you are right now. So if you go through certain process and if you have a ambition to work in a construction industry and make a greater fortune or greater professional career in this field, then this video for you. So if you want to join in a company like Larsen and Toubro or Tata projects, Shapoorji Pallonji, or any other construction projects, you may search in the Google, you will understand what are the companies available in this area. So if you have an ambition to join these companies, so what is the process you need to do? How to develop certain things? Because thing is that when you are in the college at the time you are experienced with the knowledge of the bookish knowledge basically, and that is also required. That is also required to get the certificate, but it will not help you to immediate success in your professional career. Maybe it's a certificate to get an opportunity to work in any company. But what I've seen that many of the engineers not crack the campus interview in the college. So if you want to know if you are getting a job in the by the process of the campus interview, that is great. But most of the people, more than 70% people are more than 70% engineers, students not getting job from the campus interview. And this video for those people also. So I'll tell you a simple example in this particular video by using technology, how you can develop yourself in such a way for the preparation of interview. In terms of interview also, it will help you to prepare yourself to crack an interview in the initial stage. Just after passing out from the college, you need to apply from the in the portal when you shortlisted. Sorry, shortlisted, and at that time you will easily crack the interview also if you follow this process. So that for that intention, I am preparing this video. So there is a sequence of 10 videos, one by one it will come. So today we'll discuss about the introduction. So let's start. Today what I'm showing you, I'm giving one example, like if you are a electrical engineer in and you want to get a job in the construction field, construction domain, like L&T or Shapoorji Pallonji or any companies. Okay. So what is the motto and how to prepare? What are the knowledge you need to develop? Although you have a knowledge about the electrical systems, power systems and all. Okay. But what is basic things are required? What are the fundamentals are required to prepare for yourself? Let's start. And before that, I have to share that maybe if you follow me in my YouTube channel, then you people know me better. Uh, Previously, I made some videos here to the project management and the MEP systems and the many other topics. Maybe you have gone through or not gone through, it is okay. But if you want to get this kind of topic in future and you want to be a professional and want to become a great project manager, then follow my channel and subscribe this channel also. And short introduction about myself. I am also in the construction industry since long time, more than 23 years. And I have worked in various construction companies like L&T also. For a long time I was there and many other companies. And still I'm working. So my experience also, you will understand, I will share in various videos. And based on my experience, what I understand, what are the pain points that I want to highlight and how to go to the next level very quickly. that you need to learn so that you can kill the time. You need to, because everybody have a time issue. So time management, it's a big subject. So maybe you will know about all those things in the later stage. But right now, your focus, if you are a GET or if you are a fresher engineer, just passed out from the college, just focus on this particular video and follow the sequence. Here I will show you through AI tools, and it's a miracle. Okay, if you want to get knowledge by using these tools, so you will get anything. But things that you have to choose the right thing, and you have to choose the right questions. You need to ask the questions to that particular tool, and you will get the answer accordingly. So I'm showing you one simple example by using this tool. So just I'm going to share my screen, and let's start. How a electrical engineer like a GT get a job in the construction industry. So how to start? Okay, that is the topic basically. So electrical construction field for GTs. That is the topic. Now everybody knows about the chat GTP. So it's a your personal mentor, you can say. If you use this chat GTP for your way. So here I will use this particular tools. It's a AI tools. Most of the people know about this. And if you don't know, you can get it easily in your system, in your mobile. So just check it out and just follow the process what I'm going to show you. So here I will give you a prompt. What prompt? Like I will ask a question in this particular tool and this problem about yourself only. So what is the questions I want to ask? Is I am a recently graduated electrical engineer and highly motivated to begin my professional journey in the field of construction projects. I aspire to work with reputed organizations such as Larsen Tubro, Tata Projects, Adani, Reliance, and other top companies in the industry. I would be grateful if you could guide me on the essential technical knowledge and practical skills required to effectively handle electrical works in large-scale construction projects, especially in the role of a graduate engineer trainee. Additionally, I kindly request a step-by-step learning plan or content outline explained in simple and easy to understand language to help me build the necessary competence and confidence for this role. So hope you understand the question, and I just click the button. Let's see. That's fantastic. Aspirations, and you are on the right path by seeking guidance early, starting your career as a graduate engineer trainee in top tier construction companies like these companies. There is a comprehensive step-by-step learning plan. So what they have given, this tool is giving to you, that is foundation. So the process is telling, this tool is telling, okay. So the process is know the role of a GET in construction projects. Because see, when you are coming out from the college, you have not taught this way from your college teachers and other professors and all. They have given you the knowledge about the subject. So you have only subject-oriented knowledge. So it is also required. But you need to understand what is the industry requirement, what company wants. So that way you have to develop yourself. Now understand what you will do as a GET. Now, you may assist in electrical drawing review and execution. That is the one thing. What role you are going to play? You may coordinate with vendors, subcontractors, and civil team. Now, supervise a site works. There is different activities, cable laying, panel installation. Maybe as a G, you may don't know how to do this, but you have, whenever you have gone through the books, you know some knowledge about the bookish knowledge about the cables, what type of cables are there, how to lay the cables and all. So what is mentioned in the books, and that books was published maybe 20 years, 25 years back. So every year and every time this technology evolves, okay, many things is coming new, so which you are not aware, which is not mentioned in the book. Panel installation, what is the panel, how it installs, all those stuffs. Ensure safety, quality, and timely progress. Help with material planning and reporting. So is the part one, foundation. So whenever we'll go in details about this cascaded videos, so I will elaborate all this in the later stage. Just understand the this particular introduction video. What are the things you need to go through first? Next, part two, you have to understand the essential technical knowledge you must master. Okay. Now you have a knowledge about the electrical system, I know. But specifically, when you come to this industry, so what are the basic minimum requirement about the technical knowledge it is required? That is Ohm's law, power energy, Kirchhoff's law, KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law. You people know, okay, then AC versus DC, power factor, load types, resistive, inductive, capacitive, all those types of electrical loads, lighting loads, what is the HVAC, motor, etc. So basic of electrical engineering, it is a revision. You may go through your books also, or you may get those knowledge from this type of tools also. I will show you how to get all the knowledge easily from this particular tool, so that you no need to go back to your book once again. Now the next part is the electrical power distribution. We will understand what is the SLD, single line diagram. Maybe you have not gone through in the book in your college time. Then what is the HT and LT system, 11 kV, 33 kV, 415 volt transformers, HT panels, PCC, MCC, what is PCC, what is MCC, what is the PFC, VFDs, and all those. There's some basic requirement are there, which you need to learn from this tool, and it is easily you will understand. Electrical safety points of view, what are the things you need to learn, that the types of what types of earthing, earth beat, resistance standards, lighting protection system, what is PPE, LOTO procedure, and cabling and wiring. These are the things you will learn. Then lighting and power system. There is a ELV system called extra low voltage. You may don't know, okay, as a fresher or electrical engineer, just passing out the college, you may don't know what is the ELV, right? So whenever you got an opportunity for an interview in any company, so when you describe about this type of things, so the interviewer also impressed. This fellow is just coming up from the college and he knows such things. So it's a great opportunity, because see, you have to, whenever you are facing an interview initially, you may don't know many things. Okay. But whenever you're showing your interest, whenever showing that you have some, add some value, okay, you have some extra knowledge about those subjects which is going to be implemented in the construction field, so they will also interest. So what is CCTV, PS system, access control, you may don't know. Maybe it's very simple for us who are already working since long time, but as a freshers, definitely it's very hard to know all those stuffs, right? So that is the reason why I'm sharing all those things with you, so that you may get easily. And how, even though it is, you can develop by yourself, help from me or somebody else. So that is the reason why I'm showing this particular tool. You go there, you need to write the right answer, right questions. You need to ask the right questions, then you get the right answer. So ELV, then construction projects process. What are the process? What is the BOQ? What is the method statement? UQC procedure and all. Then practical skills you need. Then technical and the site execution. So read and interpret electrical drawings. Follow what is the IES standards, and understand work sequences. What activities will come first and the next. Okay. Then project coordinations, related to project coordination, you can understand the communications with multiple teams, the daily progress report, work with Microsoft Excel and AutoCAD. So there is a multiple tools. You may know about MS Excel little bit, or you may good in the MS Excel. That is great. And you may learn many things in the MS Excel. It's a huge subject which is regularly used in the construction industry or any industry for documentation process. And if you're interested, you can learn the AutoCAD, which is which is required to understand at least the how to operate the AutoCAD. It is not required to be mastered in AutoCAD, but at least the basic knowledge. Okay, how to open and how to search and how to find the different measurement that you may learn. The name is project or Primavera. It's a project management software. You may learn also, or you may not learn. And nowadays it is very easy to learn from online also. Site level instruments and mega multimeter. So these are the instruments you may know, but you may don't have an experience about how to use it physically. Okay, so you may go through YouTube. You can understand what is mega, what is multimeter, how to use those things. So it's nowadays it's very easy to learn. But the only thing is that step-by-step process is required to those things. So this, what I'm showing you, it is showing the step-by-step process basically. So then part 4 will come. Part 4, what it will show that week 1, the basic concept refresher, this what you learned in the earlier that you need to refresh once again. Okay. Then week 3 and 4. So there is week 1 and 2. You have to go through once again all those technical knowledge. And week 3 and 4, the power distribution, cabling, pipe 6, earthing, safety, lighting system, then drawing, site execution, reporting. Then week 9 and 10. So it's a 12-week process, and you need to go through by yourself by using this tool. And you may prepare for any interview and all. 11 to 12, the mini projects or internship simulation. Suppose try to simulate an actual small scale project. Okay, you need to get an idea from somebody else who is having little knowledge about any building projects or any type of infra projects or any projects. Suppose a mall, or suppose a residential building, suppose a airport, or something like any infrastructure development which already done. So just take an example of that project and what are the things is coming inside and outside of that particular project related to electrical system that somebody will explain to you. Then you can get idea about the entire project. So how to prepare DPR, material tracking, okay, conduct mock inspections and prepare report. You may go to visit wherever you are right now. Maybe you are in Delhi, or maybe you are in Mumbai or any other places, Pune or any other places. So there's a many constructions are going on around you. Okay, you may approach to somebody else, or you may directly go to site and ask to security that I need to meet the project manager. You go there, convince him that I am just passed out from the college, and I have to show the entire construction field. Please help me or guide me. So mostly he never refused. Definitely he will help you, or somebody definitely will help you. So that way you need to approach. Go there and understand the various activities, what is going on in the construction industry. So you'll get a physical experience. We'll get a physical experience before jump into this particular industry. At least you can understand what are the things is going on, what are the structure, what is this and that. Okay, so that way also you can learn many things. So only thing is that learning, because it is your life and you have to develop your knowledge in such a way so that you will get a smooth career, and even your career will be running very smoothly, and you will get a jump quickly. So that all is coming from you. So don't think much more right now as a fresher engineer. Just follow this process. You will get the knowledge. And I will show you in the next videos how to go in details, in depth of individual activities. Okay. Right now, what I'm showing in this particular topic, that what is the sequence you need to follow. and I will show you how to go in deep in each and every stage. So there is another 9 stages I'll show you in the 9 videos. Okay. So here I will give you in details by using these AI tools. Okay. And you can also explore by yourself. Suppose I'm talking about power factor. There is a many other subject are there. So which is not required to learn right now, which is not required to recap right now. Maybe what are the technical activities, technical knowledge is required immediately in the construction industry. Related to those, you need to recap right now. That is the point. Now I'll tell you about some of the bonus things also, like how to build your resume in a professional way. And what are the certifications you may require? Now this AI tools is showing some of the things like AutoCAD, electrical safety. It is not required to all those steps, but it's okay. What are the soft skills you need to develop? Communication skills, team handling, punctuality. Okay, these are the things which is very much important. And what I understand that technical knowledge, the value, weightage of the technical knowledge is required as a great project manager is only 15 to 20%. So 80% and more than 80%, you need to develop yourself. You have to work on yourself. Then only you will go rise. I mean, you will go fast to the next level, to next level, to next level. So I will go. I will go in details about all those steps related to soft skills and what are the professional skills are required to go to the next level very quickly. Suppose as a GET, you join as a trainee engineer or an electrical engineer, then what will be the next level and how fast you will go to the top level? Okay, maybe within 5 years, you will go to the almost top level. It is possible also. Nowadays, everything is possible. So what is the process you need to follow? So that is the main thing that you need to crack, but not now. I will tell you in details in the later stage. For that, you need to do many things because if I'll tell you right now everything, then it will be a burden for you. So make your life very simple, okay, and make your life very easy. So follow a easy process first. Okay. Then automatically you have developed, you have built those confidence and you will easily go to the next level. So these things, and see in this there is a recommendations also. This AI tools is showing ChatGPT what are the books you need to follow. You have a different book, you may follow that book also, not an issue. YouTube channel, you need to follow the YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel. It is showing you will get multiple knowledges. I mean, understand the multiple topics and knowledges and all. But there is a many other experts are there in this particular field. And if you related to what knowledge you want to get, just you need to type there and you get some content from over there. Okay. Like MEP Academy, the engineer's mindset. Okay, these are the channels maybe. Okay. So you may go through or online courses also you can get. But there is a huge knowledge that are there. Okay. But what particular knowledge you need to require? Because you have you don't have time. We don't have time basically. We have a short span in our life and we want everything right now. We want money, more money right now. And we get a good job in a good company. So everything, good things we want. But what output will come, that depends on what input you are going inside. So you need a right input, right content, right knowledge, right guidance. Okay. Then you can save your time and you get a good job. Obviously, you make more money. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and I'll give you more things in my next video related to the subsequent topics, and we'll go in details about all those subjects. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Bye.